say them now. Oh, I could say them now. Yeah.
Just friends, the beginning or the end. How do we make sense when we're on our own? It's like you're the other half of me. I feel incomplete. Should have known. Nothing in the world compares to the feelings that we share. It's so not fair. What makes you so beautiful is you don't know how beautiful you are to me. You're not trying to be perfect. Nobody's perfect, but you are to me. You try to take my breath away, feel the words that I don't say. I wish somehow I could see them.